Come along, today we're baking fruit, nut, and cheese breakfast bake. I've listed the ingredients here. And make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, add the ricotta cheese. Once you put the ricotta cheese in the bowl, give it a good stir. Next, it's time to add the cream cheese. You need 1/2 cup of cream cheese. Blend the ricotta and cream cheese together. This will take a few minutes. The next ingredient you need are 2 large eggs. Add the cracked eggs to the bowl one at a time. Then add the honey. You add 1/4 cup of honey. Stir well to mix all the ingredients. It'll take a little bit of time to incorporate it. The dry ingredients come next. The first to add to the bowl is the baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir to incorporate all the ingredients. The batter will start looking smoother. It's never going to be completely smooth. Add the vanilla extract, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Add the oats and the flour. 1 cup of oats and 1/2 cup of flour. You can substitute almond flour to increase your protein in this dish if you would like. Stir all the ingredients well. Add 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. Mix well. Add the berries of your choice. I chose a blend, but you can use blueberries or whatever you want. Add 1 cup of the berries of your choice and stir again. You'll need some more almonds for the top of the cake. Put the sliced almonds on the top of the cake. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until brown. It's about 30 to 40 minutes. Enjoy the breakfast cake. It's yummy.